Prosecutors delivered their closing arguments today in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh, saying the once prominent lawyer was so desperate to hide his financial crimes that killing his wife and youngest son was the only way out. CBS's Nikki Battiste has more from the courthouse in South Carolina.
With a fiery tone, lead prosecutor Creighton Waters gave his closing argument in a packed courtroom.
The defendant is the person on which a storm was descending, and the defendant is a person where his own storm would actually mean consequences for Maggie and Paul.
According to the prosecutor, that storm was Murdaugh's lies and opioid addiction and stealing millions of dollars about to be revealed.
And after an exhaustive investigation, there is only one person who had the motive, who had the means, who had the opportunity to commit these crimes.
Prosecutors say Murdaugh murdered his wife Maggie and 22-year-old son Paul in June 2021 to distract from his financial crimes.
She was running to her baby when she got mowed down by the only person that we have conclusive proof was at that scene just minutes before.
The prosecution's case has relied on circumstantial evidence. Investigators never found the murder weapons or bloody clothes, and there were no eyewitnesses.
We couldn't bring you any eyewitnesses because they were murdered.
This morning, jurors went to the Murdaugh estate. They spent about an hour viewing the house and dog kennels where the bodies were found.
The defense will begin its closing argument tomorrow morning. Then the prosecution will have an opportunity for a rebuttal before the jury begins its deliberations. If convicted, Alex Murdaugh faces 30 years to life in prison. He has pleaded not guilty. Norah?
Nikki Battiste, thank you so much.